Hey goodies, I'm back with another one. Y'all gonna love this. I'm about to show you guys how I rock this kinky straight unit. Okay, 4 different ways. All right, so if you want to see how I got these looks, then y'all need to keep watching. All right, I want to thank Curlyme for sponsoring today's video. They sent me some mink eyelashes, they sent me a wig cap, and some extra straps if I need it. But the star of the show is this beautiful 20-inch kinky straight unit. It is a 9x6 pre-cut lace. And as you can see, it has the adjustable straps and also the drawstring. And it also features 2 combs on both sides to make sure everything is locked in place, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And this is the first way you can wear this hair. It is very beautiful. You can just wear it in its natural state. I do know some girlies who like to wear their hair just, big and flowy. And this will be look number 1. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now that the layers are in, my face is framed, and everything is looking good, I am going to put some curls in the hair. And so the layers are going to just make sure that the curls lay, and stack like how they're supposed to. So I'm just going to add a few curls, not too many, because I want this look to be really soft and, fluffy. I don't want to take away from the texture. So I'm just putting minimum curls. And I'm going to go ahead and just secure those with my little gold clips. And yeah, we're going to set them and see how everything comes out. Wait a minute. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? There's not much I can say. Like, this work is speaking for itself. So as you can see, I'm using a brush, and I like to do that because it brings all the hair together and it gives it a more fluffy look. But look at her. She can't believe it. This came out so cute, and it was so simple to do, you guys. So I'm loving it. This is style number 2, and I got some more for you, so keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to give y'all a little Hollywood with this one. As you can see, I only used a little bit of serum and I sprayed a little bit of water. This is all you need for this heatless style or these heatless curls, okay? And I'm using my handy dandy, Old Faithful flexi rods, okay? So I'm going to make sure that everything is tightly wrapped around the rod, as you can see here. That I'm kind of pulling it to make sure that those curls are going to be popping. But this is going to give old Hollywood, and it's so cute, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, old Hollywood. Y'all see the curls. Y'all see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and just play with this until I get it how I like it. But either or, like defined, combed out, brushed out, no matter how you do this, you're still going to end up with a gorgeous look. I mean, just look at that, y'all. That is so cute. Yes, I was mad when I had to flat iron these curls for the video, but it's okay. The wig is mine and I can go back and forth whenever I want now. But anyway, I'm about to flat iron this hair. Well, I am flat ironing this hair so I can show you guys a blowout look. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this flat iron. I'm going to show you guys how silky it is first. I mean, look at that flow and luster, okay? Like... So I'm going to go ahead and just put in some light curls, or not some curls, but a light little bump to kind of create like a blowout look. You will see what I'm talking about in just a minute. So this is like a little soft little, you know, not curly, not straight, but just like a blowout look. And I absolutely love that. I mean, look at that, y'all. That is too cute. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know which is your favorite style. So let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let your girl know. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, because I do have more videos coming out for you guys. And I will make sure that I put all of the information on this hair in the description. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.